Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a couple of days. Um, I know it's been a couple of days since I've uploaded. So, this dude is being an idiot. Uh, the Cupcake, which is a funny, cute name and all, but so he thinks that this is better than Super Poly and Spear Mode. Uh, so anyway, so I'm gonna go through these options. This actually goes here because it came out first. Anywho, so let's take another one. Oh. So which one of these are better? I'm gonna tell you right now, Super Poly is the best monster removal. So Sky Strikers, yes, or I don't know. I don't obviously Giant Dragons negate summon normal summon, but let's read these 3 cards and see why I say Super Poly is the best monster removal, then Spear Mode, then Nurubu, which is why I say Nurubu isn't going to see any competitive play. Now that I think Spear Mode is still playable. I just think that Super Poly right now is better, but Spear Mode can have its time again in the meta soon, depending on the format. So, discard 1 card. You should summon 1 fusion monster from your extra deck using monsters from either side of the field. Need a player can activate cards in response to this card. So one of the things he said was discarding. First off, most decks don't care, or they want things in the graveyard. So discarding is actually a good thing, not a downside like it used to be. So Super Poly is really busted for that. So it's like discarding your card that you need in graveyard that you draw. Okay? It doesn't have a limit on how many monsters that it could take. And there's a target for just about any situation, depending on what the meta shapes up to be. You can play any fucking card in your extra deck to counteract all of these other cards. And you can do it with this one Super Poly target, and it's insane. And it cannot be responded to. I cannot stress that enough. It cannot be responded to. Nerubu can be responded to. You can negate it, because it's an activated fucking effect. Spear Mode cannot be normal summon or set. This card cannot be special summon. Requires retrieve from either side of the field. To normal summon it to that side of the field cannot be set. Then shift control to this card's owner during the end phase of the next turn. Cannot attack your opponent card. Cannot target this card for an attack card by card effects. You contribute this card. You contribute summon this card from your best and one ring dragon or Spear Mode, bringing it all from your hand or deck in no summoning conditions. And if you do, this card attack becomes 4,000, and its attack becomes 4,000. Not that you're gonna be summoning Spear Mode, although theoretically you can dragon up, you can, but whatever. This is good because you can take out multiple monsters. You can take out 3 monsters. Which typically, if you take out 3 monsters, you're going to take out 3 negations, and that's typically, that's game for them. Most meta decks don't normal summon all that much. Thunder Dragons, what are they normal summoning in their archetype? Nothing. Play them with dangers or something. They're really powerful and can easily go off without a normal summon. Orcus. Again, they don't need a normal summon. You can just go off with Engaged. Or any other spell card that creates a token. Or the special summon card. In general. God Dragon. What are they normal summoning? Nothing. They don't even summon anything in their actual archetype main monsters. You only use the links. So, and typically you use them with Thunder Dragons. Orcus, Thunder Dragons, God, Salamangreats do use a normal summon, but you're not starting into Spear Mode for the Salamangreat matchup. So that doesn't really matter. Because they only end with like 2 monsters anyway. And the other deck is Sky Strikers. Oh no, that's not what I mean. Theoretically, you could go off, with Thunder Dragons. Salamangreats without normal summon. Sky Strikers, same thing. So, Spear Mode is very powerful, gets rid of 3 negations. He's like, well, what happens if they don't have the 3 monsters? Well, that doesn't happen. You can't just, what if a made-up scenario that never happens. That just isn't how you deal with the game. And in this card, during the main phase, you opponent normally summons a special summon modified monsters. This turn quick effect. Quick effect means it's activated. You can tribute as many face-up monsters on the field as possible. And if you do special summon this card from your hand, then special summon one token to your opponent's side of the field. Level 1, rock. Level 1, level 11, attack question mark, defense question mark, and it's equal to attack the monster distributed. You can only use this effect once per turn. Is Spear Mode once per turn? No, it is not. Actually, funny. You get Super Poly. That's another thing that it has for it. Is these aren't once per turn, so theoretically, if you open with multiples, not that, if you have Super Poly, you're not going to need to do multiple times. Spear Mode, if you have multiples, you can do it when and once. Spear Mode and Super Poly are good off the draw. Narubu is not. This card sucks to fucking draw it. If you're going second, which is when you want to have Narubu, and you draw it for your turn, it does absolutely nothing. If you draw Super Poly or Spear Mode, they do something. So this is why this card sucks, and these cards do not. That's why these cards will continue seeing play, and this will not see any play. It is so being overhyped for no reason. I'm not saying that it is bad. I'm just saying there's better cards in the current meta to do the same thing that it does. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't subscribe to anything. Below. I'll catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo. Bye now.